So today's video is about a freelance platform where you can earn money in your free time. And if you're a fresher, you are a college going student, or you are a housewife, this platform is for you. And you can earn money in your free time. So if you're not having any kind of experience, you can still check out the details. The company is Proud Gigs, and here is the website. So this is a freelance kind of platform where you can complete microtasks in different categories. And here, this is an online marketplace where you can work and earn money from home. There are different easy to do affordable tasks that you can do from home or anywhere. So if you are looking for some kind of like freelance opportunities or work from home or side income kind of opportunities, this could be a good opportunity for you. And no matter what is your geographic location, and if you're a student, you're a housewife, or you're a fresher, you can check out the details. You can apply in any of the categories that interest you. So the categories that are available with the platform include like digital marketing, writing, and graphic design, mobile apps, and photo and video, SEO, web development, presentations. So here you can check out the gigs. These are the categories that you can check out. Depending on your expertise and interest area, you can apply and you can start working on any of the categories. So this is a global platform, and so no matter what is your geographic location, you can apply from anywhere, almost everywhere. And if we talk about the price, so here you can expect an earning of around like $3 to $200. So it depends on like you can ask for you can charge your client from like $3 to $200 for any project. And here you can check out other freelancers. So like any other freelance platforms, this is basically for micro tasks, and you can earn money from home and doing like simple tasks or micro tasks. You can work in your free time and create your own schedule. The company hires many freelancers. So usually like businesses or companies used to post their micro jobs or small easy tasks to get completed by the freelancers, and freelancers used to take up those jobs and start working on them, and they can earn money. Freelancers must maintain a success rate of around like 75% at all times. So basically your task should be acceptable for the client, so it should be of high quality. Businesses pay only for tasks they are satisfied with, and Sprout Gigs does not charge a fee for tasks that do not meet requirements set in the job. And all job owners will have a chance to rate every submitted task. They have mentioned a list of jobs that are like unapproved. So what are the things that you need to avoid are listed here. You can check out the details. Now, if we talk about the fee, so here they have written that in order to maintain a world-class 24/7 platform with a fully staffed administration team, we must charge fees. So the platform charges a very tiny amount of fee from freelancers as well as from business owners. The company charge fees to approve every job, correct jobs, monitor the submitted tasks, and provide support services. The job approval fee is $0.65, and fee for tasks rated satisfied is 7% charge to both freelancer and buyer. So if this kind of role interests you, you can check out the details, you can check out the platform, and you can sign up with the platform and start earning with the and you can start earning by doing simple micro tasks in your free time. So go ahead and check out the details, apply for the job. Thank you for listening.